Good afternoon. My name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this beautiful 1992 Ford Bronco. It's four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, 60,000 original miles. One owner vehicle. So I'll say that again. One owner, 61,000 miles on it. Beautiful truck, great condition. Not perfect, but very, very good. It's paint is good. A few small imperfections, but nothing horrendous. It has original wheels. Interior is excellent. Seats are good. Headliner's good. Has a clean Carfax report. You can see it online also. It shows one owner. It was owned up in Sacramento. Has tilt wheel, air conditioning, four-wheel drive. I have pictures online of it underneath, but it's very clean. The tires are dated, I believe, 2019. Trailer hitch, 4x4. I'll show you when we drive. This power rear window. Tinted glass. Really nice condition. This is not floor mats, these are carpets. So it's clean title. So engine compartment is totally stock, fuel injected, 5-liter motor. Air conditioning, you can see, has been updated. It's freshly smogged earlier this week. Completely stock, that's the way you want it. Hard to beat this truck. One owner, 60-something thousand miles. Excellent condition. It has a Jensen stereo, air conditioning. It's clean as a pin. Tilt wheel. So it has a control for the rear window right here. The back seat's like brand new. We'll go for a quick drive. Air works. So we'll go for a quick little drive. Boy, this is very quiet inside. So 61,047 miles it's currently showing on it. Not bad. One owner, hard to believe. Now this, from what I understand, this was Sacramento police captain personal vehicle and received very little wear and tear. Obviously it drives out perfect. Shift's nice. Goes down the road nice and straight. Very quiet inside. All the gauges and everything work. Glass is all good. Turn around here, no point going further. It's just stop and go driving. It does show you that it doesn't overheat. Air conditioning works well. Hard to beat it. February, you need air conditioning. So the dash has no cracks. Looks like there's one might have been repaired. Would be my guess. This little area there, but otherwise, really hard to beat. So it's cruise control, tilt wheel, power rear window, intermittent wipers, and it's clean as a pin. You could detail the hell out of this and it would spark a little bit more, but it's hard to beat. No rust, absolute lock stock. So let's review 1992 Ford Bronco, four-wheel drive, automatic. I notice there's a manual hubs, which I don't know if they had automatic available in 92 or not. Power rear window, clean title, smog this week, clean Carfax. Let me know if how we can help you. Thank you.